Okay, so on to question 3 of test 2 part 2 extra credit. Question 3 states a plastic ball in a liquid is acted upon by its weight and by buoyancy force. The weight of the ball is 3.6 newtons. The buoyancy force has a magnitude of 4.3 newtons and acts vertically upward. At a given instant, the ball is released from rest. The acceleration of the ball at that instant, including direction, is closest to. So I always advise to always draw out the scenario. So this is the liquid, this is the ball, and we know that the weight is affecting the ball, and the weight is 3.6 newtons. And it's also being affected by a buoyancy force, which says the buoyancy force act vertically. So the buoyancy force is up. So that's 4.3 newtons. So it's asking us the acceleration of the ball at that instant. All right, so for this question, just write out the summation of the forces, which is FB minus weight. So summation of forces is going to be the mass times acceleration, FB minus weight, and then they want the acceleration. So just basically isolate A by dividing M. So M, not M, acceleration, acceleration equals FB minus weight over M. So since we have our values, we know that FB is 4.3, our weight is 3.6, but we're missing our mass. But we know that the weight equals mg. So by dividing gravity, we have mass equals weight over gravity, which is mass is 3.6 divided by 9.8. Our mass is 3.6 divided by 9.8, 0.367. So we have our final value to the piece, 3.67. So the acceleration becomes 4.3 minus 3.6 divided by 0.367, 1.9. So it's a positive, so it's going to be 1.9 upward. So it's going to be, well, let me write out meters squared for acceleration. So it's going to be 1.9 upward right here. So corresponds to letter E.